All right, without getting too crazy here, let's go ahead and just cut a couple chunks of this 2x4 off. So one thing that's interesting here is this actually cuts on the right side, where I'm normally used to the blade will be on the left side. So that's a little interesting. You can also see you've got nice little indicators here for where you're going to cut. So let's just go ahead and try this out. Pretty smooth. That one was on my bad. So the blade is definitely sharp. Has a nice guard. The guard wasn't getting caught or anything like that. That's good there. Nice safety switch right here. The battery is on 1 now. Now, with this being a 4 amp hour, 20 volt, it is going to kind of run low on power pretty quickly, and it appears to not have the strength of some of the other tools. But you can get other batteries, like my chainsaw Dong Cheng batteries will probably be much better than this one in terms of strength of the saw. So who do I think this is good for? Probably people who don't want to shell out a ton of money. You do very minimal projects at home. This would definitely not be a good like daily driver or anything like that. And I am just realizing here that there was an iron wrench right there. So you could do that without having to have your own. So like I mentioned, definitely not a daily driver, but for someone who needs some cheap home tools, Dong Cheng has been pretty good to me. The chainsaw is very nice. This battery seems like it's maybe a bit underpowered for this device, but again, I didn't charge it to full, so we were going on a pretty low battery right off the bat. So check it out, guys. We'll have it linked down below, and thanks for watching.
Did you know there's an easy way to get discount codes for most products on Amazon? I created a website, moderndeals.net, that has thousands of daily discount codes for Amazon. Let's take, for example, this hair dryer. Click the item on my site, the coupon will auto apply, click add to cart, and there you go. The price dropped down to the discounted price. There's thousands of active codes every single day. You can also search for individual items, for example, a dash cam, and it'll show all the active codes for dash cams that day. I'll have a link to my discount site in the description and the pinned comment. Be sure to check it out and bookmark, and let's get back to the video.